I'm Michael from trainedparrot.com, and I'm observing the hooded parrots. I'm in Northern Territories. This is Pine Creek in Northern Australia. This is a very rare to see parrot because it's only local to this region of Australia. You're not going to find it anywhere else, so it's really exciting to get to see the hooded parrot. Morning in Pine Creek. All the birds are chirping and calling away. Can't see them, but we can hear them chirping away in the trees. I can hear parrots in the distance. It's really exciting to wake up to be surrounded by so many birds here in Australia.
It's a nest of one of only 3 species that I know of parrots that nest in termite mounds. One of them is extinct. It's a paradise parrot in far north Queensland. There's the hooded parrot here, and there's also the golden-shouldered parrot in far north Queensland. And they all nest in the termite mounds. The parrot just uses his bill to worry away a hole and create a cavity in the termite mound. These are the cathedral termites, Psephotus toyotiate, and what they'll do is repair around the damage